Hey y'all, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're learning how to make the iris stitch. We'll start with a slip knot on our hook. We'll chain a stitch multiple of 4 plus 3 more. So here I'll chain 16 for my stitch multiple of 4 and then add 3 more for a total of 19 chains. Once you have your chains, we're going to work into the 5th chain from your hook. I'm turning it over and working into the back bump, placing a double crochet into the 5th chain from my hook. These 3 skip chains here that we have will count as our first double crochet of the row. Now I'm going to go back into the same spot and double crochet again. Chain 1. Now I'm going to place 2 more double crochets all in the same chain spot. Now skip the next 3 chains and place in the next one 2 double crochets, a chain 1, and 2 double crochets all in that same chain place. Now we'll keep repeating that across. Skip 3 chains, place 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets all in the next chain. Okay, when you only have 2 chains left, you're going to skip 1 and double crochet in the last chain. Remember those first skip chains, the top 3 count as our first double crochet of the row. So now we're ready to turn our work and start row 2. For row 2, we're going to chain 3, which again will count as our first double crochet of the row. Then we're going to skip our first 2 double crochets and work into the chain 1 space. In the chain 1 space, we're going to place 2 double crochets, a chain 1, and 2 more double crochets. Okay, so now we're going to skip 4 double crochets and work into the next chain 1 space with our 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. And that will be our repeat across the row. Okay, when we get to the end of the row, we'll have 3 double crochets, 2 actual double crochets, and then our skipped chains or our chain 3. We'll skip the 2 double crochets and work 1 double crochet into the last stitch of the row. Okay, for row 3, we're going to turn our work. We'll start with a chain 3, counts as our first double crochet for this row and each throughout. Skip the next 2 double crochets and then work our 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets into the chain 1 space. Then we'll skip our 4 double crochets and then repeat in the next chain 1 space. Continue repeating across the row until your last 3 stitches. Then you'll skip the 2 double crochets and double crochet in the last stitch or the top of the 3rd chain to end the row. Just keep repeating that row for the desired length of your swatch.